Don't use AliExpress to drop ship the items to your customers. You want to start using these two websites first so your customers get the item faster. Number one, Wiio. Number two, Zendrop. But you only want to use these shipping agents when you're at the beginning stages of your business. Once you're at 10 to 15 orders per day, you want to have your own private supplier that you can go to and you have a relationship with, so people can get your items even faster. I've had relationships with suppliers since 2016 when I started my e-commerce journey. And when my students get to 10 to 15 orders per day, we move them to those suppliers so their customers can get the items in 5 to 7 days max. So if you're interested in getting fast shipping times and working with reputable suppliers without going through trial and error and getting scammed, go ahead and comment supplier below and let's chat and see if we can help you. Let's go!